I am going to make it in a more simple way for you. See, tense. Tense is a form of verb that helps us to know, or helps us, or to allows us to know what is happening or what happens in the present, past and future. That means it's the time. The time is the main thing. The tense is a time that denotes that whether the work done by you, it is done in the present time, done in the past time or in future. Okay. Now before knowing that, means you have to now understand that, and you have to know what are the types of tense and in detail. So let us continue. Tense. So we can see in this chart tense. Tense is divided into three parts: present, past and future. Okay. That means present, now, at now. Suppose now I am taking your class. I am explaining you about tense. What is tense? How many types of tense are there? Suppose before coming to my class, you may have, you may be in your home. You have done your breakfast. You have eaten something, or you are watching television. That is the past or before. That means before the time of now. Before the time you were in your home. Now, future. That means after. That means after attending my class, suppose you will go home or you will go to the field to play. That is called future. That means what you are going to do in future. That means tense is generally basically you have to understand the work done. The work done in which time. The simple language if I say, that means you have to understand in which time the work is done. This is the simple meaning of tense. And we know it is divided into present, past, future. It is very clear to us. Present means now, past means before, future means after. Okay. Now, if I give an example, okay, suppose now you see the example. Rahul goes to school. Before this example, you have to know the basic structure of a sentence. The basic structure of a sentence. Subject plus verb plus object. So this subject plus verb plus object is the basic structure of a sentence. It is very clear to us. We know it very well. That when we construct a sentence, we construct a sentence based on this one, subject, verb, object. Now, here you see, in present tense there is sentence, Rahul goes to school. So, Rahul went to school, Rahul will go to school. You may understand the following structure, but do you know by seeing or by understanding which word or which structure that you have to understand, or you have to know that tense, you are going to understand the tense. That means you have to you can understand that at which tense it is. Means by seeing the structure, by seeing this subject, verb, object, it is which structure among subject, verb, object. By that, if you see that, you can understand that the time of the tense. It is none other than verb, the work done. I am saying no, just now I said that the work done within which time allows defines tense. So the work done, verb. So Rahul goes to school. What is the work done here? Go means he is going to school. So you see Rahul goes to school. But here verb is what? Go. Then why this es is coming? A question arises in your mind. Let me solve it. Rahul is what? We know in English language there are three persons. First person, third person, second person, third person. First person I, we. Second person you, your, our. And third person is what? Anyone's name, any person's name, place name, and singular. He, she, like that. Okay, they means both are there, singular, plural. Now here we know if the subject, Rahul, if the subject is third person, singular number, okay, then we add s or es. S or es with the verb. So Rahul go to school, it is wrong. Rahul goes to school. That means s or es. Is it clear, students? We are adding, if the subject is third person singular number, we are adding s by s with the verb. Similarly, now you see here it was before, that something that happened before, past. Rahul went. Here the verb is going to change from go to went, second form. That is past. Rahul went. Went, goes, and in future it is will go. That means I will go. You will go. So will go is the verb. So by seeing goes, went, will go, you are understanding that the sentence or the work done is in which tense? Present tense, past tense or future tense. So this is the basic concept of tense which I have said. I think so you have understood well enough. Now let us further proceed that and we know just now that we know present, past, future. Among these, in each and every type of time of tense, present, past, future, there are 4 divisions. They are simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So these are the 4 types in which times of tense are divided. Simple tense, that means simple present tense, simple past tense or simple future tense. Continuous, same thing, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Perfect, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Present perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Okay, so these are the 4 types. So remember the name: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Today we are going to study about simple and continuous along with the formulas. Okay, what is simple tense, what is continuous tense in respect of present tense. Simple, simple present. Subject plus verb, first form, s or es plus object. Rahul go to school. I go to school. See now, simple present tense. Subject, verb first form, s by s plus object. Okay. Subject is what? Rahul. Verb is what? Go, main verb, first form go. Now s by s, what just now I said Rahul, third person singular number. If subject is third person singular number, we add s by s with the verb plus object. Rahul goes to school. Now, in case of if the subject is I or we, then I go to school or we go to school. Subject, verb, first form plus object. Okay, they are simple. Subject, verb, object. Rahul goes to school or I go to school. These are simple concept of simple present tense. Okay, students.